scare me like that. Mr. Bones is my friend. He's not my boyfriend, but I have to do this because he's gonna fall if I back on him. So I'm sorry, Mr. Bones.
What are you cooking up now?
Well, Mr. Bones, that's a good question. We're cooking up pumpkin seeds.
Isn't that something you do at Halloween?
Yeah.
Is it almost Halloween?
Yep.
No way!
You're from Halloween.
Yay! That's why I'm hanging out here with Kinley, because one of our traditions is roasting pumpkin seeds on Halloween, the day we carve our pumpkin.
I got an idea.
What's your idea?
My idea is we should calm down
Hmm?
and not go crazy.
Who's crazy? I'm not crazy.
There's boil and a tray. So what do you think we're gonna do with them?
Roast them in the oven?
Yes.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is add some olive oil.
I'm gonna
Okay.
put it on.
Just a few squirts and then a little bit of salt.
Watch this.
Okay. Oh my gosh, don't get it everywhere. Oh no. Ooh. Okay, okay. Now what? A little bit of salt. A little bit of salt.
A little bit of this.
A little bit of that. A little bit of everything. That's a song that Kinley wrote. Did you know that?
This, I can do
that. I can do anything. And we can cook. Yeah. Oh.
You only need a little bit.
So at this point, you can add just about any spices you want to make it yummy. Last year we did curry, but you could also do sweet.
I want curry.
You want curry?
Okay.
Okay, let me go check. Hold me for a second. You kind of sprinkle this all over all of them.
You want to
here.
do it?
Do you want me to do it? I'm missing a hand, so can you give me a hand with this? Because I can't do it. Can you do it? I need a hand. Well, look, I'm missing a hand. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Ooh, what does that smell like, Kinley?
Do you want to smell the hat?
Oh, I have to watch.
It smells like curry.
Oh, curry is what? It's a spice. It's used in a lot of Middle Eastern and dishes from around the world, like Indian food and stuff, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay, now what?
Time to put it in the oven.
Well, we roast it for how long? Whoa! Wait, are my eyes on? Yeah, my eyes are on. Look at me. 275. 275. 275.
275. 275.
How about
So,
here?
this is how they turn out.
Hot. How are they?
Good. Thumbs up to seeds.
Mmm, those are good. Those would be perfect on salad or something. What would you put it on?
Ice cream.
Mmm, with chocolate sauce?
And maybe shishito peppers. Make sure to like and subscribe. Happy Halloween.